Hello students, in this question it says which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, find the common difference D and write 3 more terms. So let us first discuss the concept. What is the concept? If a series or a sequence is an AP, then the difference between the two consecutive terms must be same. That means second term minus first term must be same as third term minus second term, and that must be same as fourth term minus third term, and so on. This is the condition. If this follows, if this is true for a sequence, then this is an AP. So our first part is here: a square, a cubed, a power 4. Let's take a2 minus a1. a2 minus a1 is a squared minus a. Since these are not the like terms, so we can't subtract. This will be as it is. The next is a3 minus a2, that is a cubed minus a squared. Again, these are not the like terms, so we can't subtract. Now we see that the differences are not same in these two. So now we don't need to find the difference of further terms. Since the two are not same, we can say this is not an AP. This is not an AP. The next part we have is root 2, root 8, root 18, root 32. So let's find out the differences. a2 minus a1 means root 8 minus root 2. Here it seems they are not like terms, but if we simplify root 8, we can subtract. Root 8 can be written as 2 root 2. 2 root 2 and minus root 2 is there. So now we can subtract. It is root 2. a3 minus a2 means root 18 minus root 8. Similarly, we can simplify these two terms here. Root 18 is 3 root 2 and root 8 is 2 root 2. So the difference is root 2. a4 minus a3 is again the same. Root 32 minus root 18. They are not looking the like terms, but if we simplify them, we can. So root 32 will be 4 root 2 and root 18 is 3 root 2. If we subtract, we get root 2. Since differences are same, so this is an AP. This is an AP. Since this is an AP, so we need to find 3 more terms of this AP. Next term will be a5 because 4 terms are already given. a5 is last term a4 plus the common difference. So a4 is root 32 and root 2 will be added here. Means we are adding 4 root 2 and root 2. Well, so root 32 is 4 root 2 and it becomes 5 root 2. So root 50. a6 is equal to last term a5 plus root 2, that becomes root 50. That also can be written as 5 root 2. So let's write 5 root 2 is here. 5 root 2 plus root 2, it becomes 6 root 2, and further it can be written as 6 times 6 36, 36 times 2 72. So root 72. Seventh term is equal to last term a6 plus the common difference root 2. Okay, in place of sixth term, we can write a 6 root 2 here. 6 root 2 plus root 2, it becomes 7 root 2. 7 root 2 can be written as 7 7 ja 49, 49 2 ja 98. So root 98. We have found 3 terms. This is the answer of this part. The next part we have is here root 3, root 6, root 9, root 12. Let us subtract. a2 minus a1 is root 6 minus root 3. Since these are not the like terms, so we can't subtract. This will be as it is. a3 minus a2. a3 is root 9, and root 6 is the second term. Again we see we can't simplify root 6. This is already simplified, but root 9 can be written as 3. So it becomes 3 minus root 6, but the difference is not same. So this is not an AP. This is not an AP. The next part, 1 square, 3 square, 5 square, 7 square. A2 minus A1 is 3 square minus 1 square, that is 9 minus 1, that is 8. Next is third term minus second term. Third term is 5 square, then minus 3 square. 5 square is 25, 3 square is 9, so it becomes 16. Differences are not same. This is not an AP. This is not an AP. We don't need to find 3 more terms. And the last part we have is here, 1 square, 5 square, 7 square, 73. A2 minus A1 means 5 square minus 1 square, that is 25 minus 1, that is 24. A3 minus A2 becomes 7 square minus 5 square, that is 49 minus 25. It becomes 24. So now A4 minus A3. A4 is 73 and A3 is 7 square, that can be written as 49. So let us subtract. 13 minus 9 is 4 and 2, 24. All the 3 differences are same. So this is an AP. This is an AP. Now we have to write 3 more terms according to the given condition of the question. So A5, because 4 terms are given, so A5 is the next term, will be equal to the last term A4 plus the common difference. So it becomes 73 plus 24 means 97. A6, sixth term is equal to last term A5 plus the common difference. It becomes 97 plus 24. Further 121, that is equal to 11 square. 11 square. Next term is A7, that is equal to last term A6 plus the common difference 24. A6 is here 121. We will not use 11 square because we have to add it to the whole number 24. So whole number part will be better. 121 plus 24 equals 541, 145. So we got here the 3 terms, 97, 11 square, 145 as the last next 3 terms. That's the answer of this part. Thanks for watching the video.